exclusive VidIQ offers. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you some exclusive offers by VidIQ and how you can claim them. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say make sure you check the link in the description below. You will be able to find the link to these offers in the description below. You will also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can avail when going ahead and signing up onto VidIQ. So let's get into it. So this offer is actually pretty cool. You will be able to save up to 25% right here. You can make 2022 your year. You can claim the exclusive price by clicking on the link in the description below. It'll take you over to a site similar to this one. Then you can go ahead and get started with it. You can go ahead and sign up and also sign in as well, and you can achieve your YouTube success faster. You can see it's 25% off over here. There's a bunch of different plans available on VidIQ that you can offer. You can see right here, this is their standard plan. And you can go ahead and upgrade to Boost and stuff like that. And I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you how it looks like and how you can use it. It's basically an extension that you install onto your computer. And once it's installed, it'll look something like this on YouTube. So let me go ahead and sign up, or actually log in and show you. And this is how it looks like. You can see right here, whenever you install the extension, you log in, this is how it will look like. Whenever you open up video, it'll tell you this pull up tab in it. You'll see all of your analytics of that website, the total views, the engagement, the outliner, views per hour. You can see right here, and you can change it between different options. You can get an overview of the entire channel. You can also get the AI coach on tell it or ask it to analyze the hook, summarize the video, give similar ideas, and basically stuff like that, right? You can even get the transcription of the video as well. It's pretty cool, pretty simple. And over here you'll have your daily competition idea. So this is how much it costs. This is the monthly, and this is the coaching option. This is the boost, this is the coaching. And over here annually it's going to cost this much for both of these plans. You can click on the upgrade plan to go ahead and get it. And here is your creator right here, creator discount, new creator discount. You can see right here, and you can check the link in the description below to get this discount. So make sure you check the link in the description below. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.